this burgundy copper spicy red wig from Unice. It is a glueless bleach knots. It's ready to throw on. So this wig did come in a body wave unit, but I just felt like I liked it better straight, so I decided to straighten it. But I'm gonna show you guys both anyway, so you can kind of like see how it came and then also how it looks straight with a little bit of layers. This is an honest review. I'm gonna let you guys know my honest opinions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this video. Okay, so this is her in this box. The packaging is always well constructed as usual. So I have not taken it out the box yet, but you guys know that because I always do my unboxing videos of my wigs with you guys on camera, so you can like see how it looks right out the box. So let's take this girly out and see. I'm really excited. Just a couple of things that are in the box, the usual, a little baggie to put the wig in, the wig cap. This one actually has not one, a whole bunch of lashes. It has this and these lashes as well. Shoot, I probably need to put one of these on because I don't know what happened this weekend. I went out and all my lashes are gone. The beginning of the weekend, they were okay, but I don't know, probably in between drinking, I was like plucking or something because I tend to do that, but all my lashes are gone, so yeah. So she's in here. Oh, okay, so it's so funny. I thought it didn't come with baby hairs, but it actually does, and I'm excited because I hate having to cut the baby hairs myself, but I like them. At least I like how Unice does their baby hairs because, whoop, yeah, they're very minimal, the baby hairs. So like, I usually like how they do it. She's looking cute already. We haven't even taken her out, but she's looking cute. The body waves are waving. It's so close to Halloween, and now I'm feeling like I should have been Jessica Rabbit instead. But I'm gonna be Cruella de Vil. Can I wear red hair with her? Because y'all, do the usual. I'm gonna add some foundation in here, put my wig cap on, and then we can throw her on. Because I know I'm gonna have to do that anyway, so I'm not gonna put it on to take it off to do that again. So baby girl is tinted. I use a little bit of foundation and powder. Yeah, so I'm gonna put the wig cap on and then we're gonna throw her on. The cap, because I feel like this works a bit better for me. Just push this back in my mirror right here so I can kind of see what I'm doing. I love when I have clean cornrows because it just makes this so much easier. So let's see how she's looking. I was trying to find. I'd like lay them down a little with some mousse and a band. Mousse. There's like a lot of little hairs in the front, the wig. These body waves, after I brushed it out, I don't know if I like it that much. I think for me personally, I would just prefer this hair straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it and add, like, just shape it up a little and see how I like it. So we kind of ran through the straightening part, but I'm actually pretty surprised. Like, now that I straighten it, I feel like I like it 10 times more. I probably could have made the body wave thing rock, but I don't know. I just didn't like it for me. And if I was to curl it, I'd probably need to straighten it and curl it anyway. I don't know if there's any other way to do that. If you guys know, comment below and let me know. But it looks so cute. So it's funny, when I used to have copper hair, I had a copper sew-in around this time too, because I think it was like around Thanksgiving time. I'll link the picture like somewhere, but this resembles it so much, except it was like super layered because I had curtain bangs and stuff. But this isn't, and I don't think I'm gonna layer it too much. I'm gonna just trim it up to give it some shape, but I'm not gonna attempt curtain bangs, but not today. But it reminds me of it so much, and then I just like felt so happy because I'm like, I feel like I get to be a copper girly again without like coloring my hair. It's braided, protected underneath. So yeah, I can't wait to take the band off and just have the finished look. But if you hear a little bit of sound, that's my baby. I am a mother, so just a little. Hopefully this shit doesn't look weird. Oh gosh, okay. I don't know if I did that right, but we're gonna hope. And then cut this down. So kind of, seriously, my husband's so extra. Yeah, waterfall effects, but blends that out. Oh. Okay, it doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad. Now the difficulty with this is not the initial cut. For me, it's usually getting both sides to match. Let's do the other side. I'm gonna take this off. This is the big reveal, because if this is just not doing what it's supposed to do, then that's when you just look crazy. Okay. I love it. I love it. The baby hairs are so, I was scared that they were gonna be like all over my forehead crazy, but if I'm honestly like reviewing Unice, I would say their caps need to be just a little bit bigger, because I have a fairly small head and like the cap still doesn't quite like fit. So you know, if there's breeze, I don't know if it's gonna work. So yeah, I would say I wish their cap size was just like a tad bit bigger. All right guys, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts about this unit. Is it something you would get, or any other questions you want to know before purchasing? I'll see you guys next video.